there is another. Hey dingo, having fun? Go on then, go get it. All right. This is a nice diameter, probably it looks like about 18-inch diameter trunk. Hollow here, but I don't know how deep it goes, but I'm going to cut about 4 feet down there. So hopefully it's hollow there, and a little bit hollow up here too. And that is going to be a log hive for one of the Patreon supporters. All right, so I get another little cut here, and it's all punky in here, so I'll be able to get the chisel in there, and then I can get a wide enough space to get my bar in, and then see this here, this developing. That was easier to whittle out and create a larger cavity, and then this hardwood here is going to remain like that for years to come. And this is going to be the entrance right here, and it's going to probably go up here, so I'm going to cut on the other side of this rot here. So if I cut it here, that will be the log hive with 2 entrances. That's good. Oh, you're delicate with that thumb and finger. Okay, now we're at the top, and we're going to pick up a log. There was a tree that fell down and it was hollow, so we're going to cut it up. He's going to create a path to get down in here. Can you imagine in a few years up here there's going to be a bunch of log beehives, and also possibly a little special thing that I'm doing that I'll tell you about later. All right, there's our target right down there, that big long one. Holy, look at that moly. Woo! Look at that beauty. That is a stunning beehive to be. There's something honestly a little bit spiritual for me I know it sounds a little bit of a ding-dong thing to say, but to think that something that was dead, fallen over, can be brought back to life in the form of a habitat for honeybees. And also, don't forget the native pollinators too, because they find all these little micro holes and they take up shop in there too. I've seen it with my own eyes. Every spring I'll see native pollinators come out of the log. They normally burrow into the exterior of the log. Oh God, I'm so happy. So if you're ever stressed or down, just get out in the woods, because you see all this lava flows, lahar flows, the woods, and you realize life comes and goes. I'm here for about a second. This guy is awesome. He's actually one of my customers. It's amazing, a lot of these contractors, landowners, developers, contrary to what people say, they're really big into the environment. In fact, they're kind of hardwired that way because the state is kind of like mandating it. So it's just their way of life to always be thinking about the environment. Are you happy too? Huh? All right, I'm gonna haul out this log and get down off this mountain and get to the Patreon's place and get the log installed. See you down there.
You might run into cardboard.
Yeah. Oh. It's not that heavy.
Hey. All right.
And the dirt doesn't matter?
Huh?
A little bit of dirt doesn't matter?
No, heck no. Oh, you mean on top of here?
Yeah, on top.
Probably does actually, yeah.
Wiggle it over there, right?
Yeah. Cool. Is it on here?
Right.
Should have thought about that earlier.
Eventually you get around to it, right?
Oh, sorry.
All right, okay, buddy. That's about right.
Bunch of bark fell out the bottom.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Tilt it back in which I can keep it up. Oh yeah, real much.
That's actually very cool. So
very
their
cool. You
entrance
can
that
see
way,
the-
yeah, that's good.
You can see this part as well.
That's sort of south and east.
Okay.
Wow,
What does the lady of the house think?
I think it's lovely.
All right, it's done. Looks pretty good, right? So we're gonna, it's September, so we're gonna plug this up, and so the squirrels don't go in there and have a little winter cabin. Right, well, on to the next one then.
Yeah, thank you.
If you like what I'm doing with Swarm Habitat, please consider becoming a Patreon supporter and get behind the scenes footage. Thank you for your support, and please like this video and share this video. It all helps.